Yeah, I think about 5 to 6 years, me a little bit suffer with regards to side sabe pain or side. Even if me kakai also me say feeling bending pain. Yeah. Me go to the point where me klalo hill me nona me kasi montok me feeling mo sem presa na sem pain ya nara way or sem man like fall down and have dead. No. Even karem small baby or even karem anything heavy and bar to the point where maybe find them a lot of yeah, me traditional medicine, me drink him stuck a little bit too, yeah, but me no feeling any difference no more. Not until lo FB, me read him na this is a herbal pharmacy where a lot of experiences lo people what the garam sick, yeah. What a story about na experience lo what have been go through. Some fall out from hospital, others what say what no garam hope. Me too, one fall months takata me tell him wife, yeah, me say, hey, me no long time ba me die no more, yeah. Me say me even pray hard to God you find a way out. Lo bueno, but me find a medicine for fit in me. Not until few weeks ago, me search lo internet and me look him na lo FB. Every time people so I mean give him experiences and then me order him go to follow bottle. After to follow bottle, I think 1 or 2 weeks after, pain him start for down. Kasem today. Use me go play soccer mo na. Because pain me feel him start for me tell him wife, hey, look use me life mo eh. Mi sabe karen baby mo even me klay lo hilia di sala pain last time ba no mo na even if me do him anything or me karen anything up em barava em lose na di sala pain niya is lose out so me bara thank you lo herbal pharmacy for that fala medicine we what produce me because some of us sometimes sometimes so many times we feel discouraged no eh waiting for die no mo how me feel feeling what a pain niya. But because of this herbal medicine, some fellow me fella still got him hope. Yeah man, but me life it yeah man. Yeah, me like for talent public no ma that me one fella man no sabe believe about some fella medicine or some fella people's what a story about him cure and so forth there. But yeah, me like talent man asure in public. Me too one fella man me take medicine yeah. Me start feeling body blow me I'm good too. So why not if you no got many hope at all or if you go to hospital where doctors maybe say you buy go wait him die no you try him herbal pharmacy maybe that for medicine by might good and by heal him you and then by you regain him life and strength to you. Thank you.